Okay, everyone, never ever mess with fire alarms outside of your own house, especially in a public building. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm set up, you still don't mess with that because those are not your alarms. So that is the reason why you don't mess with fire alarms in somebody else's house. Remember, if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm set up, the same rules apply as it is in a public building because those are not your alarms. Only mess with your own fire alarms in your own house, not in somebody else's house with their alarms, and especially not in a public building. Bye.